Now, let me tell you this before we run anything. You don't realize this because the model servers hide it from you. Vision models have two files that you need. There's the model file itself, which you see on line 13. And then there's this file that's called a projection file. The projection file is used by Llama.cpp to actually process the bytes from the image itself. So if you do not have a projection file, there is going to be no image processing or even audio processing going on, right? So I can still use this model for text inference if I wanted to, but without loading the projection file, you can give it an image and it's not going to know what it is. Kronk actually has logic in there that's looking to see if you've provided a projection file. And if you have, it can then go down that path of using Llama.cpp has a special library called MTMD. It's for multimedia. And the multimedia library requires a projection file, and then you feed it in a very particular way all of those image bytes, and then it will process the image along with the text prompt. Kronk doesn't see a projection file. It is not going down the MTMD path at all, right? So it's not that you need it to run this model, but you need it to process an image. And so the catalog allows us to put both of them in there. So during download, you download both of them and you'll have it. So if you're playing with image models and you're going on your own, in Hugging Face, when you see that list of files, in Hugging Face, when you see the list of files, this is a 1, 2. So normally I wouldn't pull anything out of this list. You see this link here, files and versions? This is where you want to go. And you'll see all the different models. We're going to talk about what these symbols are in a bit. But if it handles images or any multimedia, you're going to see these files here. Always choose the F16, just for now. You can't use the F32, it's going to be too big. And the BF16, anytime you see BF, that version of the model isn't really for us to use for inference. It's used for training other models, for retraining and stuff like that. So just stay away from the BFs. You don't need that. Stay away from the 32, so it's going to be too big, right? You're now twice the size of the data. You might see a Q8 down. Again, we're going to talk about these, but at that point, F16 is your projection file. We're going to go into what these symbols are, I promise you. So you need both of them.